Hello students, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are good. Welcome back in the class 1. In the last lecture we learnt about ABC pattern, right? In the last lecture we learnt about ABC pattern. Today we will learn next third type of a pattern, right? Today we will learn third type of a pattern. For this pattern, if we want to learn, then we have a need for girls and for boys. If we learn third type of a pattern, we need for boys and for girls, right? So we start here our third type of a pattern. So first we draw one table here. For this pattern we need here for girls and for boys. So starts from girl, boy, girl, boy, then girl, once again girl, boy, right? So our table is ready here. girl, boy, बाद में फिर से girl, boy, right? Here we take A for every girl and B for a boy, right? So when you see in the table girl, write down A. Where is the next girl? Here, A. Now we take a B for a boy. So here boy, here also boy, here boy and here also boy. So our table is ready here. This is the third type of a pattern. For this pattern we need for boys and for girls, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 girls, 1, 2, 3, 4 boys are in this pattern, right? Here you can see here 4 things. Here you can see that 4 things made up of 2 pairs. 4 things made up of 2 pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair and fourth pair. How many total things here? 4 things. 4 girls and 4 boys and made up of 2 pairs. So write down here. Here you can see that 4 different things. You can see that 4 things made up. How many pairs made up? 2. Made up of 2 pairs of 2 pairs. Repeat. 2 pairs is repeat. 2 pairs is repeat. Is called AABB pattern. What we called it? AABB pattern. We called AABB pattern, right? You can see here 4 things. Which one is the 4 things? 4 girls and 4 boys. It's made up of 2 pairs. Is repeat is called AA. So you can see here 2. This is the pair, one pair of a girl, and this is the second pair of a boy. First pair is for girl and second pair is of a boy. You can see here, and we take a for girl A and for a boy we take here B. So here you can see that 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things made up of 2 pairs, first pair and second pair. First pair is for a girls and second pair is of a boy. 2 pairs is repeated, AA, BB. So you can see here, first we start from A, then B, once again here A repeated, and here also BB is repeated. So we can say that here you can see that 4 things made up of 2 pairs is repeat is called AA, BB pattern, right? Here, write down here, A is for what? A is for what? So we can say that here A is for a girl, right? And B is for boy, right? So this is the third type of a pattern, and the name of this pattern is AABB pattern. Which one is this? AABB pattern, right? Now we take some question of it. Question 1. What is the first question? Which type of what is getting repeated? What is getting repeated? What is getting repeated? You can see in the table which things are repeated here. Girl, girl, boy, boy. Girl, girl, boy, boy. Once again girl, girl and boy, boy. So our answer is girl, girl, boy, boy, right? Question number 2. What type of a pattern is this? What type of pattern is this? So we can see that in the table, which type of a pattern is this? AABB, AABB. So our answer is AABB. What is our answer? AABB, right? Next question is 3. What will come next? What will come next after boy, after the boy? So in this table we can see here, we start from a girl, girl, boy, boy, right? This is the first pair, girl, girl, and second pair is boy, boy, right? After boy you can see here, first after boy you can see here we repeated a girl once again, right? So after boy you can see here we repeated girl, girl, and then boy, boy. So what is the next here? After boy, what we repeat here? After boy, girl. So here also we repeat after a boy a girl. So our answer is girl, girl, girl. What will come next after the boy? Girl. In this pattern you can see here, first we take a girl, then pair of a boy, once again pair of a girl and pair of a boy. In the ahead we can see that after a boy we can take a one more pair of a girl. So our answer is here girl, right? So this is the third type of a pattern, and the pattern name is AABB. What is the name of a pattern? AABB. Once again I repeat here. So in this video we learnt about third type of a pattern, and for this pattern we need here 4 girls and 4 boys, right? So we take here girl girl, boy boy, girl girl, boy boy, and we take A for every girl and B for every boy. So AABB, AABB, you can see here. Here you can see that 4 things. Which is the 4 things? Girl girl, boy boy. This is the 4 things, right? Made up of 2 pairs. First pair is for girls. You can see here. First pair is of a girl, and second pair is of our boy boy. Our first pair is girl girl and second pair is boy boy. So here you can see that 4 things made up of 2 pairs is repeat. You can see here it is a repeat AABB, AABB. This is the first AABB pattern. Here also you can see that it is a repeated A and BB, right? So repeat is called a AABB pattern, right? Here A is for a girl and B is for a boy. So this is our AABB pattern, right? So then we take some question of this pattern. First question is what is getting repeated? इस पैटर्न में क्या आपको रिपीटेड हो रहा है वो आप पता लगाना है हमें. सो क्या रिपीट हो रहा है? तो फर्स्ट वी टेक अ गर्ल गर्ल, बॉय बॉय, देन वंस अगेन वी टेक अ गर्ल गर्ल, बॉय बॉय, right? So we can say that in this pattern girl girl, boy boy is repeating, right? Next question is what type of a pattern is this? कौन सी टाइप्स की ये पैटर्न्स? तो इट्स AABB. Which type of a pattern is this? AABB. So our answer is AABB, right? And last question in this for this pattern is what will come next after the boy? Here. अब इसके आगे क्या आएगा? So you can see here we take a first girl girl, then boy boy, right? Once again after a boy we take a girl girl, and after this boy and boy. So if we go ahead in this pattern, what we take here? So first we take a girl girl, then boy boy, once again girl girl, boy boy. So we take here girl girl, pair of girls, right? So our answer is girl, right? So students, this is the patterns, third type of a patterns we learnt in this video, right? And the pattern name is AABB, right? So thank you students for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Swami Narayan.